Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can track time in Todoist. So without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Todoist.com and log in to your account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, here is what we're going to do. We're going to go to another tab and we're going to make an account in Clockify. To go there, simply type Clockify.com and make an account. Once you make an account, we're going to go to another tab and open chromewebstore.google.com. And then on the search extensions, we're going to search for Clockify. And we're going to click on Clockify Time Tracker. So we're going to add this extension to Chrome. Click here and click Add Extension. After adding Clockify Time Tracker, we're going to go to the top right of your screen and click on Extensions right here. And then we're going to pin Clockify Time Tracker. Next, we're going to select this icon and then click on Start. Our timer will now start ticking. We're going to go back to our inbox in Todoist, and then you should see another symbol right next to your task. That is the timer. So once we click on it, let's say for this recurring task, then when done, it should light up like that. And then let's give it a quick 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's say we completed the task. Simply click here. Then, as you can see, there's a notification of your task completed. And when we click again to the extension earlier, you can see the time that we spent to do the task, which is 35 seconds. And that includes when we first started this timer right here. And that's it. That is how you can track time in Todoist with the use of Clockify. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!